As the evening is settling, dusk, we have the light lighting up 1200 lumens by the front where you need to have light. And we're going to show you later when it's dark in the back what it looks like. Set up once, turn on, forget. Anywhere that you don't have power for AC, 365/7 IP6 rated, we're going to show you the intelamp, what they're about. They are 1200 lumens to light up your area. So let's get started showing you what this product has to offer. Intelamp 2-pack. We're looking at 1200 lumens, dusk to dawn, floodlight, solar powered. As we open up the product and show you how it's packed inside, it runs for 18 hours with 6 hours of charge time in sunlight. We have tie wraps, the solar array panel, 2, the bracket and angling, and the floodlight with intelamp logo and LED lights. 30 LED lights to shine dusk to dawn. The hardware kit and an instruction guide. Going over the details of the unit, you have an on and off switch dusk to dawn with the photocell built into the solar panel that collects sun and your spotlight. And you have the 2 brackets that are going to hang on to each of the unit and adjust to the angle with the thumb bolt. Remove the nut from the thumb bolt, place the thumb bolt through, find the angle, place the nut back on by holding and locking into place. With the bracket, supplied screws and anchors, drill your hole, place your bracket on, and lock down. With the bracket, hang up the second bracket and lock down. We're all set up, time to turn the on and off switch and cover the panel for testing. When the low level light starts to descend, the light comes on, lights up. When the light hits the solar panel, it'll shut down. It is a dusk to dawn light. So we're going to go hang this up outside. Solar floodlights can be put on trees, poles, fences, areas that you need to light up and shine light on. So we're going to pick a spot and hang our floodlight. We have our light hung up and we're going to put the solar panel towards the sun. We're going to place our panel over here and allow it to collect sun and then turn on the light. Solar panels down low, the lights up high to light up the area in the corner. In the evening hours, we'll show you what it looks like. So it is the evening hours and the 1200 lumens light is lit up. Show you how nicely it's presenting. It could be put by a boatyard, by the RV, the camper, by a shed. Place it on a tree, place anywhere that you need to have light that does not have electric. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for and an outdoor lighting needs.